Hi, Carrie. This is Byron with First Class Marketing here with a short video on tips and tricks on optimizing your website as well as your Google profile. And these tips and tricks can be used in-house on generating more traffic to your website as well as more revenue. And as you can see, I do have your website pulled up here. And the first thing that I do notice is that you have a click to call, which is great for converting over quick customers as well. And as I go through here, I show that you have some great pictures of the products and services that you do provide, and as well as content. Google typically likes to see about 15 to 2,000 words on any website, depending on the competition and keywords on the home page. Keywords are basically anything that someone searches for on Google for any specific product or service. So you definitely, when it comes to Google loves information. So you want to strategically place the keywords within your content to show Google exactly on your terms how you want your website to be found, and your pictures can be used for keywords as well. This website is called Ahrefs. This is a website that we use. Basically, gives a analytical breakdown on the traffic that is going to your website. You can use this website as well. And what we look at here is what they call the UR and the DR. The UR is how much power is going to your website, and the DR is how much trust that Google has in your website as well. So you want that number to be typically between 30 and 40, which will indicate a very strong website. As we look at your backlinks here, you have about 702 backlinks with about 91 referring domains. And backlinks are basically any website that is linking back to your website as well via clickable text or hyperlinks. And those backlinks essentially act as a endorser to your website, which essentially gives more power to your website as well. I show here you have about 30 keywords here, which is giving you about 87 hits to your website per month. Let's take a quick look at your keywords. Any keywords you want to use, we want to use buyer intent, local buyer intent keywords. That is related to your niche as well and the service area that you provide. So here I see here people are looking for your website, specifically Clear Church Roofing, Clear Church Roofing Austin. You have Roofing Austin, Texas, Roofing Austin, Austin, Texas Roofing Companies. So all of these are great keywords that you want to have. You definitely want to add more to your website as well, which will essentially add more power to your website. Now, as a comparison, I actually typed in roofer in Austin, Texas, and these are the results that we have here. And as you can see, we have a map pack here, and then we also have what they call the organic listing. So ultimately, you want to be listed in this top section here in the map pack section. 30%, 30 to 40% actually of your traffic, whether it's to your website or customers calling in, will be generated from this map section here. Now, a few tips on how to rank higher on this map section here. When it comes to this map pack, you want to make sure that your phone number, your business name, and your address is listed, and your hours as well. And then you want to make sure that you are getting consistent good reviews. And then also on those reviews, you want to make sure that you are responding to those reviews as well. A lot of companies don't respond or really don't even know to respond to those reviews. Okay. And then at the bottom here, there is a About Me section that is about 750 characters long. And you want to make sure that that section is filled out all the way. It's typically right in here. So you definitely want to make sure that you have keywords inside of that About Me section as well that is going to optimize your position on the Google Maps section. And then we also have what they call citations. Citations are basically your business name, phone number, address, how it's listed per Google Business here on any other listing platforms such as Yelp or the BBB, Better Business Bureau, and the Yellow Pages, and a lot more as well. Those will be added in there as well. So I also pulled up your competition here, which is Austin Roofing. As you can see, they have a clickable phone number as well. They have some pictures and some content as well. So when I actually put them inside of the arrows tool that we use, as you can see, their trust with Google is about a 31, and their power is about 29. They have about 3,400 backlinks with 236 referring domains. So essentially, when it comes to beating out the competition or to match the competition, you want to match them or you want to beat them out with about 100 or so. And as we look at their keywords, they have about 143, which is giving them about over 700 hits to their website. They have Austin Roofing and Construction, Austin Roofing Company, Austin Roofing Contractor, Roofing Austin, Roofing and Construction. That is a little bit more national keywords, so you definitely want to stick to the local keywords as well, such as Austin Roofing Contractors. So they have a lot of good keywords that they use, and you can actually use these on your website as well, which is going to boost more power and more trust in Google to your actual website. I hope this information was very helpful. If you have any other questions or concerns that I can help with, please give me a call back or an email back. My information will be listed, and I hope to hear some feedback from you. Thank you so much for watching.